Saint Anne and Joachim, an exemplary couple of humanity. In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived an elderly couple named Anna and Joachim. They were known for their kindness and generosity, always willing to lend a hand to their neighbors and strangers alike. Despite of their advanced age and the absence of children, their home was filled with warmth and laughter. Anna was a skilled weaver, her nimble fingers crafting intricate patterns that adorned the villagers' garments and tapestries. Joachim, a retired carpenter, spent his days crafting wooden toys for the children, each one a masterpiece of love and craftsmanship. Their love for each other was palpable, a bond that had grown stronger through the years. They had faced their share of hardships, the longing for children, the loss of loved ones, yet their faith remained unshaken.
One summer evening, as they sat outside the cottage, a weary traveler approached. Its clothes were tattered, his face touched with exhaustion. Anna and Joachim welcomed him with open arms, offering him food and shelter for the night. The traveler, grateful for their kindness, shared stories of distant lands and adventures under the starlight sky. As the season passed, more travelers found their way to Anna and Joachim's doorstep. Each one was greeted with the same hospitality, the same warmth that had become synonymous with their humble abode. Word of their generosity spread far and wide, drawing visitors from neighboring villages and beyond. One winter's night, a young couple arrived at their doorstep. The woman was heavy with child, her face filled with both anticipation and anxiety. Anna took her in, smoothing her fear with gentle words and warm blankets. Joachim prepared a kettle with his own hands, scarfing it from the finest wood he had saved for a special occasion. Days turned into weeks, and the village burst with excitement as news of the impending birth spread. Anna and Joachim stayed by the young woman's side, offering comfort and encouragement through the long hours of labor. And when the boy finally arrived, a healthy boy with a tuft of dark hair, the entire village rejoiced.
In the days that followed, Anna and Joachim became surrogate grandparents to the newborn, showering him with love and care. They watched him grow, his laughter echoing through the cottage as he played with the wooden toys Joachim had crafted just for him. Years passed, and the boy grew into a strong and compassionate man. His parents, forever grateful to Anna and Joachim for their kindness, named him after them as a tribute to their unwavering support.
Anna and Joachim's story became woven into a fabric of the village's history, a testament to the power of compassion and the resilience of the human spirit. Their legacy lived on in the hearts of those they had touched, a reminder that kindness knows no bounds and that love transcends generation.
काम हो अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो, काम हो अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो। है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो, है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। काम अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो, है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो, है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। दूसरों के दर्द में जो ढूंढे अपने दर्द को, रब भी देता है दुआएं ऐसे उस हमदर्द को। दूसरों के दर्द में जो ढूंढे अपने दर्द को, रब भी देता है दुआएं ऐसे उस हमदर्द को। बांट ले सुख दुख को जिसके दिल में ऐसी प्यास हो, है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो, है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। काम हो अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो, है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो, है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो।